How to add a white outline to your images using Canva. Now this, funnily enough, is a question I do get asked a lot, so I decided to put this video together so I can show you step by step how I do it in really short order. The simplest way I found to do it within Canva. It does use a pro feature, but I'm going to take you straight through step by step how I build out my thumbnails specifically for my content that I create for my online business. And I'm going to show you how I create the white outlines for my images so they actually pop, and actually the thumbnails are designed to engage and actually get the click. So I'm going to head straight on over into Canva and show you around. So here I am inside my Canva, and I've just created a template here. I've just got a blurred background image, and I've just got some text on here. So white outline, and then I've uploaded the Canva logo, and I've actually used the white outline in that Canva logo just so to give it a little bit more purpose for this thumbnail. Now, specifically when building out thumbnails, you have to ask yourself the purpose. What is the purpose of this thumbnail or any media that you produce online? First of all, it has to engage. It has to, one, stop the scroll, to engage somebody. And then ultimately, any media that you put out online or any thumbnails that you combine, it has to get the click. That's the number one aim of any thumbnail, is to get the click, to describe what the video is about, maybe intrigue, curiosity. Just all they need to do is just get the click and watch the video. So ask yourself that in every step of the journey as you're putting out your media, your content, your thumbnails together to actually engage people. What is the aim of this and how can I make it more enticing? So here I've just started with a template that I use. I use a blurred background just to give it a little bit of depth perception, but actually not make that the main thing. And I'm just going to put here white outline. So hopefully you've done a little bit of research into what content you create. And I've just done a bit of research. And again, from the students I've been working with, they're all asking me, how do you create that white outline? And I'm like, really? Is that a thing? Okay, I'll put a video together. So I've had a quick look on YouTube, and the title that I'm going to probably go with is how to add a white outline to your image in Canva. It doesn't necessarily have to be white. It can be any color, as I'll show you now. But there's a few things that you've got to be aware of. So I've actually uploaded, I've just Googled Canva logo with transparent background. So I've downloaded this logo and then used it on here. So I'm just promoting this Canva logo. As you can see here, I've actually used the white outline tactic that I'm going to show you how to do now, just to underline what this video is all about and what this tutorial is all about. So once you're happy with a short, succinct headline or title, so how to add a white outline to your image in Canva, come up with some text that you want to put on the actual thumbnail itself, upload maybe an image or two to actually define what you're going to go through. But then the image that I've actually just taken a screenshot of myself just before recording this video. So here I am. All I've done is I've pointed to the outline of my body, because this is going to be where the white outline is going to be. And you're going to have to do two things here. So like I said, this is a paid premium feature. So edit image and then BG remover, so background remover. It's going to take a few minutes to actually remove the background. It's done it there. If it hasn't done it properly, if there's anything left over, so if you've got long hair or anything like that, you want to sort of trim that. I don't have that problem, but you can click on the erase and then you can actually go and just sort of trim that up. But I'm quite happy with that. That looks pretty decent. I'm just going to click apply and then give it a few minutes for actually Canva to apply that and actually embed that into your main thumbnail. Okay, so the second thing you need to do is then add that background, the white background or the white outline. So click back into your image and then edit the image and then go into shadows. And then once you're in shadows, just click on glow. And then this gives you some options here. So click on glow again because you want to edit the glow. First of all, take the color down to white. Now, using this white outline, and why everyone wants to use this white outline, is it just makes your image pop. It makes your image pop from the background and it just gives it that standout effect. Now, there's a couple of things here. You want the blur all the way down and the transparency all the way up. So you want it to be a solid outline. And then the size, you can play around, have a look there. I mean, it doesn't look too good if it's too big, but I know I'm going to increase that image a little bit more. So I tend to go with something like 6, 7 or 8 depending on the size of the image. Once I do that and I'm happy with that, I just click apply. And again, you may want a couple of minutes for Canva to actually to support that and actually to load up and embed that new image into your thumbnail. Now, once I'm happy with that, all I need to do is just to resize this image. So I'll probably drag it up to actually a larger size. And then you can play around with the location of this. So I probably wanted to go down a bit across. And then as you can see, the Canva symbol here is still there. I mean, you could drag yourself all the way over to the left, but what I'm going to be doing is probably putting myself around there. And then if I right click on the Canva and I'm going to bring to front, that's just going to overlap. So I'm just set behind that Canva there. And the last thing I do, I've just got a white background here. So I'll just bring that all the way to the front. And I'm quite happy with that. That's pretty much my finished thumbnail, the one that I would use for this video. I've got a white outline. The Canva has got a white outline, and I've actually used a shaded element here to actually pick out some of the colors in the Canva logo. And it's a really nice, clean, again, I like to keep things super simple. So yeah, I'm quite happy with that logo for this video. So hopefully that helps and you found value in that quick video on how to use Canva to give yourself or any image a white outline. Canva is just one of the tools I use to run and grow my own online business, and they are a select number of tools, but what I've done is I've put together a PDF checklist of all the tools that I use to run my online business, and you can actually get a free copy of that today if you head on over to timpeakman.com/tools. Download that. It's a simple guide listing the tools and softwares that I use and why, and giving my justification, and it might give you an idea of what you need to actually start, grow, or run your own online business. And I look forward to seeing you again on another video real soon.